These are reusable microfiber mop pads by EGR. They're made for Shark VC205, which is what I have, VM200, VM250, or VM252 that you see right here. Absolutely great quality. These are all reusable microfiber, not that paper stuff. So it can last for a really long time. And as you see right here, one microfiber pad is equivalent to 100 disposable pads. And actually that is true. It's not exaggerated. I use them in my own home. Let me just open them for you guys so you can see. They are really high quality microfiber mop pads. There's a lot of them here on this one. As you see, there's this one of them. Feels almost like a towel, you know, the high quality towels that you would clean your car with. Really good. And the back where it sticks on the Velcro. Let me just show you the other part of it. Here's the part that it would stick on. Right, this one has one on already, but you would take them here, as you see, like this, because these two go in the mop, and you stick the new one. But in this case, you just wash it actually. You don't even need to stick a new one at all. And it looks really nice and it does the job really good. I really like these. I am really surprised that more people are not using them this way, because don't forget, it's safe for your budget and it's safe for the planet too. So you are not disposing extra tons of pads that not necessarily are being discarded. You can just buy reusable microfiber pads that are actually of really high quality and really easy to use. You can just clean your floor, mop multi surfaces, including tiles, marble, wood, laminate, linoleum, know that, and you just wash it in the shower tub or whatever you might have. Why not use these instead? Why use the pads that you just toss and take another landfill over and be wasteful? Now let me just give you a quick example on this table how these will work. This is my coffee. I will spill some of it just intentionally here on the table. Okay, and we'll pass the microfiber pad over it and see what it does. As you see, gone. Absolutely gone. You cannot tell where the coffee spill was anymore. Let me do it again in a bigger piece just so you guys can actually see it. This is quite a lot of coffee now on my table. And let me just wipe it with the same exact pod. Just like that. It's gone forever. As you see, perfect. And now I don't really need to replace this. I can take it out of here, wash it real quick, and bring it back on and reuse it for the next task. I am really happy to have these. And yes, again, guys, these were made by EGR for Shark VC205, 200, 250, and 252. Absolutely amazing reusable microfiber mop pads. So you don't need to fill more landfills. Just go with EGR. And yes, link will be in description below for these, as many products that I showcase on this channel. So yes, it's they are affiliate links that help this channel at no cost to you. I just believe these are products that everybody should have if you use pads. And well, in another hand, even if you don't have the Shark mop, just buy them. They're actually not that expensive. I use them sometimes, don't tell anybody, for my car to clean the car around because it's really soft and nice. And as you saw, it absorbed all the coffee that was here. You saw the big spill. There's no more coffee on the table. So yeah, these are reusable. Save your budget, save your pocket, and save the planet. Why not when it's possible? Save pads from going to the landfill. And as you see, I just washed it real quick. Absolutely did not use anything but just water from the faucet. And it's ready to go to the next task. Now, supposedly you should let it probably dry a little bit, not do what I did, but that's how it works. It's the same exact pad that I just had, except a little bit wet now, but yeah, it washes perfectly good, and it literally did not take me more than 30 seconds to wash. From that, cleaning that coffee that you saw there, to this one back again, and you can use it and reuse it hundreds of times. These are really good high quality pads.